Hey guys, it's Ashley from Out Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Snoozebox. I don't know if you guys remember, I unboxed this a long way back ago when these guys were in like pre-launch. They've been officially launched. They have a box. This is all like nighttime sleep aids and things that help you fall asleep. All natural things though. The boxes are $31.48. It's like there's like a sale right now. They're I think usually $34.97. They do have reduced prices if you subscribe for a longer term. I don't know what's in here. We're going to find out together, but I have talked to you guys about my own sleep habits and patterns, and I have a terrible, like I just, growing up, we didn't really have like a schedule. I'm very strict now as a parent knowing this. And I don't know, like I can't, most people go, I'm tired. It's time to go to sleep. I'm like, I can't like tell when I'm tired. Is that crazy? I don't know. I just have trouble like determining like I'm tired until I lay down, and I'll either pass out because I'm exhausted and I've just been going and going, or I'll lay in bed and I will like wonder like, am I really tired? Should I be laying here? I don't know. So I'm always looking for ways just to help me, and you know, just help me fall asleep. I just want to go to sleep without using like pills or whatever. All right, so this is Sandyland Studios bath salts in chamomile. Ooh, I love anything chamomile will help you fall asleep because it just smells so tranquil. All right, so there's that, and I love bath salts. I love hot baths. You guys know that. That's one of my things I do to relax. The next item is In the Weeds magnesium oil, and you guys know this. Magnesium is one of the things that like I don't rely on it, but I do use magnesium like for anxiety, for just calming. It's good for your body. So anyway, spray anywhere on the body 1 to 2 times daily. Soles of the feet is moist, comfortable, and great for absorption. Good option for kids. It may itch on the skin, and this is normal. The itch should fade with regular use. If too irritating, you can dilute with more water or lotion. External use only. So there is that. That's interesting. Ooh. And this company, ooh, I've heard of these guys. So they're Soam sleep aids. This is a drink. I've actually heard of these. I'm excited to try them. The original Soam sleep formula. It contains, let's see here. Well, I don't know what's in here. Don't say. Is it melatonin? I'm guessing. Water, cane sugar, erythritol, natural flavor, citric acid, magnesium citrate, stevia leaf, peroxidine hydrochloride, magnesium. Really, it looks like magnesium. Huh. Wait. I'm wondering. I'm looking for the little... I might not be reading this right. Anyway, in the... Where is it? Where is it? I don't know. So anyway, I'm going to have to look into this and find out what this uses to like help you fall asleep. But I'm interested in trying it and hoping that it does. That would be really great. Also without oversleeping, because I've tried like valerian, and valerian is too much for me. Don't like it very much. So, ooh, I've been wanting to try this. Yahoo! So this is organic ashwagandha root capsules. This is from Earthwise Organics. There's 24 capsules in here. General use 1 to 3 capsules up to 3 times a day. My sister-in-law uses ashwagandha. I've never tried it, like not like in a vitamin form. It's just an all-natural supplement you can take, helps you to relax, fall asleep. And I've been wanting to try it, and I haven't been able to find it at my local like drugstores. Herbalist prepared with certified organic ashwagandha root, 475 micrograms per capsule. 100% kosher gelatin capsules, stored in a cool, dark place. This I'm excited about. So that is everything that I received in the snooze box. I'm super pumped to try this out. As I said to you guys, this is actually something that I could really use in my life. I wish I was better at sleeping. It's one thing that I've never been able to like really figure out. That sounds terrible, but it's so true. So if you're interested in the full review, check that out below. I will also link to Snoozebox if you have problems sleeping, maybe, or you just need to... You want some items that help you get sleepy. This is one for you. As always, thank you guys so I can't close this box, so much for watching. I'll see you next time.